Hi everyone, Lynn B. Thurgood. Welcome to another session of OWA Live. Today I wanted to touch just briefly on wills, trusts, power of attorney, and extend it even a little bit more to beneficiary, clarity of beneficiaries. By the way, just as a footnote, last Friday of every month we have a market update. You'll get the information on that via email, and on that email there will be a link to join in that market update. February, that'll be February 26th at 11 a.m. Mountain Time. We want you to join us. It'll be about a 30-minute session where we go into a little more detail about this. But just today, I just want to hit on it very briefly about wills, trusts, power of attorney, and beneficiaries. Wills, you need to have one. You can do it yourself, LegalZoom.com, RocketLawyer.com. Senior centers are a good place to get referrals for pro bono legal work if available, or an attorney that you may know or get a referral to. We have a few people that we refer folks to as well for free consultations, so that's always nice. So a will is just instructions to the probate court on how you want your assets distributed. So I said a key word there, probate. Don't think that a will avoids probate. No, it's instructions to probate your estate. It's got to get in front of a judge, delays, public record, etc., etc. Not the end of the world in New Mexico, but in other states, probate is terrible. And it takes 3-6 months or longer sometimes to get things cleaned up. So wills, got to have one, but it's for stuff. All of your other assets, you want to name beneficiaries either via a trust or by contract. Let's talk about a trust. A trust I call is like a box. We set up this box during your lifetime, your attorney does, or you can do it yourself again on some of these legal websites. But everything that you own basically gets put into the box. You are the trustee. You control the box. You get in it, you get out, you control it while living. And when you check out, when you graduate, as I call it, the box is still there with all your stuff, and it simply gets passed on, no probate, privately and immediately to the successor trustees, and they now have control to do what you want them to do. So, will versus trust, hope that's helpful. Again, a lot more detail on our market update. And then the other idea of power of attorney, obviously, if you have someone that needs legal authority to make financial or medical decisions, you got to get those power of attorneys set up, advance care directive, those types of things. So just a reminder to be sure those things are up to date and current and viable. And of course, in naming beneficiaries, be careful. Make sure your beneficiaries are up to date on all assets, including your ability to name that on your bank accounts, your house or multiple houses. So be sure that beneficiaries are paid attention to and set up properly. And sometimes you want to protect beneficiaries from themselves or from an ex-spouse. So there's lots of things that we can get involved in. Anyway, we'll get into more detail on the market update February 26th, so 11 o'clock Mountain. I'm hoping to have an estate planning attorney on that call to join us for about a 10-minute introduction on some basic overview. And that market update will be a little more detailed, but still will leave a lot of unanswered questions. That's why we say take advantage of the free, no cost, no obligation, 1-hour consultation with an estate planning attorney. Per our professional relationship, we have that available where you can just have a chat and not feel pressured. All right? So as always, great to see you. Hope that you enjoy these OWA Live segments, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.